I'm gonna try like off camera first, and then I'm just scared. Hello everyone, welcome to today's makeup tutorial. If you are a returning viewer, hey, and if you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for actually clicking on my video. And I mean, you've come this far, you might as well just subscribe. I'm just saying. So today we are doing a soft glam look with freckles.
We're gonna do it our way. We don't care what they say. Yeah, baby, tonight we're gonna dance all night.
Yes, okay, freckles today. Hopefully I do them correctly. So today it is a step-by-step process as usual, and make sure to click the like button and subscribe and comment as well with your thoughts on the video and anything you have a question on, anything you would like to ask me, just do it. Okay, so soft glam, what I like about it is that it's actually doesn't take as much time. It's normally like, you know, your everyday makeup, but yes, this one just has a twist. It just has freckles with it. So yes, that is what my plan for today is. First of all, I am so pissed. This pimple decided to just pop out of nowhere. I had no pimple yesterday, and then yeah, annoying. I actually just want to just comb out my eyebrows a bit. Now when it comes to your eyebrows, you can literally do anything. You could use this, you could use this, I think you could use that. I haven't seen that. But today I want to go with this right here. And I'm going to try also use a little hack with this as well for the freckles. So I just want to like comb out my eyebrows. Bruh. Just like this. So normally I like to just start off with my forehead as usual. And make sure to like the video. Don't be shy to subscribe. I post at least once a month makeup tutorial. That's the least I could do, once a month, yes. But if you're also looking for live interactions, I'm also on Twitch, so you could follow me there where I normally am live. So yes.
Hey, you! Yes, you! Why haven't you liked my video yet? Come on, you know what to do. Click that like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. And also follow me on these other platforms. Okay, back to the video.
I feel like I talk about this every single time in every makeup tutorial, but if you are like, if you don't have this, you could always use like a flat sponge, you could use an egg, you could use whatever you use. You could use your fingers if you want to. Some people I know use their fingers. So yeah, let me know what you use. So I just quickly applied my concealer all over my face. Now, of course, you can't miss the eyes. So now you just apply it on your eyes.
I do my hair from straight to curl. Zip up my dress.
So I'm done with the concealer for now. I mean, no, not even for now. I'm done now. So now it's time for the eye concealer. So now eye concealer is it is the very bright one, like this, and then you can just apply it like that. Okay.
Make sure it's tight. Strap up my heels. Go to the mirror. Make sure I'm right. 'Cause baby, tonight we're gonna go all out. We're gonna do it our way.
Okay, eye concealer is now done. Now we can go over to the eyeshadows. So since this is a soft glam, I'm just going to be using like a nude color. This one over there that is literally almost finished. And then yeah, I'm just gonna start off with the nude, and then we can maybe see what I can add there. So I'm gonna start off with applying my nude eyeshadow, and then now for those of you that don't know, that are new, normally when I'm applying my eyeshadow, I like to apply it with a sort of wing like this, and I use a paper. You could even use sellotape. I used to use sellotape, but now I'm now doing it like this. So you can just do that and that. If you don't want to have a wing, you don't have to apply it. You can just follow the shape of your eyelid. So I just do it like this, but this is how I do it. So you can do it however you want to do it. Okay, so I'm done applying my eyeshadow. Again, you won't see it as, it won't be as in your eyes, or you won't really see it as much because again, it's soft glam. So yeah, it's like I'm wearing makeup, but I'm wearing makeup, but I'm not really wearing makeup. That's the look I'm trying to go for. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glitter, not a lot, just a little bit of glitter on the corner of my, should I not? Maybe I should wait for the eyeliner and then see, because I want to try something as well. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my eyeliner. I want to try this TikTok trend that I saw, where I saw a lady use a, where is it? It's your hairpin. Because for those of you that don't know, I am still bad with applying eyeliner. Like it's not a gift that I have. So yes, I want to try that. She took a hairpin and then she did that, and then she just, yeah, I want to try it. It might not go well. I'm just hoping it goes well. Please. Okay, I'm gonna just move this. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna try like off camera first, and then I'm just scared. It actually worked. I'm gonna try to do my other eye. I can't do it on camera. I'm literally gonna mess it up if I do it on camera. But yeah, basically you just take this part and you just draw in like that.
2 hours later.
Okay, so this is literally like 20 minutes later because I was struggling as well. I'm telling you, like, I am so cursed when it comes to doing eyeliner. Like, the one day I spent like 10 times taking it off and reapplying because I'm so bad at like eyeliner. It's normally I start with this eye, and then when this eye is fine, but when I start here, yeah, it's down the hill from there. So now I've applied it. I don't care if it's not like perfect, but I tried. I know like it's not the same. So this is the side and this is the side. It's not perfect, but yeah, if you have any other hacks that you know that just, yeah, comment down below. Let me know like another hack because I'm struggling here. Okay, so I want to now try to do like what is it called when they put the eyeliner over here. So basically another trick that I saw on TikTok, another hack. Basically you do this and then you can just apply it like, okay, so this is the result. Kind of looks like what I'm looking for. I don't want to like make it too dramatic, so sort of like this. I'm going to add a little bit of gold. Okay, just a little bit of gold here, just right over here. Don't do the full eye, just like do a wing sort of look like that. Okay, just like this. Okay, so now you can do your eyebrows and then we can move on to the freckles. So just like draw in your eyebrows however you draw them in. Actually, I'm done with my eyebrows. Now we're going to go on to the freckles. Now the freckles, you could do it in so many different ways. You could do it with your normal eyeliner pen by just applying dots, or you could use, you know, like the sponge, you know, like the sponges with dots. Let me show you. Let me actually show you guys something like that, but it has like, I don't know what it's called, but you could use something like that if you want to. For today's video, I want to try something completely different. I don't know if this will work. I want to try using this brush over here, or if you want, you could also use your normal eyebrow pen and you can just like make dots like that. See, like dots like that. But I want to just try with this, see how it's going to go. Okay, like make dots like that. No, I don't think it'll work. So what I did, I took this. I have a whole lot of like empty containers of eyeliner. So this one is for, yeah, I took that eyeshadow there and I just started applying it like that, and then it started making like dots for me. So this won't be as realistic, of course, which is expected, but it's doing what I wanted to do. So you could use that. You could use whatever you want actually, but I normally like to use something that has a tip on it, and then I just use the eyeshadow. You know what? while I'm doing this, I'm just realizing that freckles actually don't suit me. Honestly, yeah, I'm glad I don't have them. They don't suit me. But yeah, I just kept doing what I'm doing. Just take this eyeshadow, and I also applied it on my nose as well. So you can also do that as well. So yeah, that's how I did my freckles. You can do it however you want to do yours. I tried to also use this. Okay, this is the lid from Kylie Jenner's waterproof mascara. So, and you could also use the dots from there, but then it becomes like too unrealistic. So yeah, these are my freckles. I'm thinking of applying, I'm gonna use like that really dark brown color. I think it's the beige lip thingy-mabobby that I have. So, I just forgot to tell you guys, don't forget to actually apply your mascara as well, or eyelashes, whatever you do. So yeah.
The motivation of the day is to know your worth. This is because I feel that we could go so far in life if you just know your worth, and it will allow you the ability to not let people step all over you.
This is the end of the look. This is the final results. It actually doesn't look that bad. I thought it was going to turn out very messy and all, but it does not look that bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section how it went for you. I really would appreciate it. And see you all next time. Bye.